Hello everyone, welcome to Nepal Online School. In this video, we will study The Brave Little Parrot by Rafe Martin of Flax Golden Tales. Here we go.
About the author. Rafe Martin was born in New York, America. He is one of the influential critics as well as story writers in the contemporary time. As morning shows the day, he spent most of his childhood up in treetops with a good story. When he was in grade 6, he discovered Moby Dick and read it over and over. He has published a number of short stories in the academic field. Summary of this story in English. The Brave Little Parrot is a famous story by Rafe Martin. This story is based on the Buddhist legend. It is not only mythological but also a moral story. This story tells us the selfless, social service, bravery, and benevolence are the key to meaningful life. Furthermore, it encourages us that if we continue our tireless effort, of course, we can be successful in coming days. The Buddha was born as a little parrot. That little parrot used to live in a dense forest. One day, a storm fell upon the forest. As a result, lightning is flashed and a spark caught the tree. All the wild animals are in danger because of the widespread of the fire in the forest. Out of them, a little parrot flies with the help of wings in order to save his life. When the parrot flies to save his life, he looks at the terrible scene where hundreds of animals are trapped by the fire and are going to die. It is because they could not fly like birds. The little parrot thinks to save them from such danger. For that, he uses his creative mind. He flies to the river, plunges into river, comes out and soaks his body and releases some drops of water. However, fire could not be controlled by the few drops of water. Anyway, the little parrot could not stop his work for helping other animals. In fact, gods became very happy looking at his courage, service, and love of the parrot to other animals. One god, in the form of golden eagle, comes to the earth and stands near the parrot. He also advises the parrot to save his life and leave his effort because his task is hopeless. But the little parrot continues and replies that he needs proper advice and help in such situation. The god feels ashamed. He begins to weep and appreciates the work of little parrot. He even promises to help him. Then the stream of tears pours from his eyes so that flames dies and smoke begins to clear. At last, with the bless of God, everything in the forest changes. All animals in the forest gets a new life, peace and happiness out of such dangerous sufferings and pain. Summary in Nepali. सानो वीर सुगा भन्ने प्रसिद्ध कथा कथाकार राफे मार्टिनद्वारा लेखिएको हो। यो कथा बुद्धको पौराणिक परम्परामा आधारित छ। यो एउटा दन्ते वा पौराणिक मात्र नभएर नैतिकतामा आधारित कथा मानिन्छ। यो कथाले सफल जीवनमा साहस, परोपकार र सामाजिक सेवा आवश्यक पर्छ भन्ने कुरालाई चित्रण गर्दछ। यसैगरी यो कथाले हामीलाई हाम्रो काममा दत्तचित्त भएर लागि परेमा एक दिन अवश्य सफल हुन सकिन्छ भन्ने कुराप्रति उत्प्रेरित प्रदान गर्दछ। यस कथामा बुद्धलाई सानो सुगाको रूपमा जन्म भएको लिइएको छ। उक्त सुगा घना जंगलमा बस्ने गर्दथ्यो। एक दिनको कुरा हो, उक्त जंगलमा भीषण आगो लाग्दछ, जसले गर्दा जंगलका रुखहरू भयभीत आवाजका साथ भुइँतिर ढल्न थाल्दछन्। जङ्गली सबै जनावरहरू खतराको सङ्केतमा पर्दछन् किनभने जङ्गल वरिपरि आगोले ढाकिसकेको हुन्छ। सानो सुगा भने उक्त विकराल अवस्थाबाट आफ्नो ज्यान बचाउनका लागि आफ्नो पखेटाको सहायताले उड्न सुरु गर्छ। जब सुगा उड्छ, उसले जङ्गलमा भयभीत डरलाग्दो अवस्था देख्दछ जहाँ सयौं जनावरहरू आगोको चपेटामा परि मर्न गइरहेका छन्। उनीहरू चराहरू जस्तै उडेर आफ्नो जीवन बचाउन असमर्थ हुन्छन्। यस्तो अवस्था देखेर सुगाले आफ्नो जीवनलाई कसरी बचाउने भन्नुका साथसाथै अरूको जीवनलाई कसरी बचाउने भन्ने सोच्न थाल्दछ। त्यसपछि उसले आफ्नो सृजनशील दिमाग लगाएर खोलामा गएर आफू डुबेर पखेटामा तथा जिउमा पानी बोकेर जङ्गलमा रहेको आगोलाई निभाउने प्रयास गर्छ। तर विडम्बना, उसको थोपा थोपा पानीले विशाल ज्वालाको रूपमा रहेको आगोलाई केही प्रभाव पार्दैन। तर पनि सुगा आफ्नो प्रयासलाई निरन्तरता दिन्छ। यो देखेर स्वर्गमा रहेका ईश्वरहरू पनि छक्क पर्छन् र उसको त्याग देखेर खुसी हुन्छन्। त्यसपछि एकजना ईश्वर सुन्दर चिलको रूपमा पृथ्वीमा अवतरण गरी उक्त सुगाको छेउमा जान्छन् र सुगालाई त्यस्तो असम्भव काम रोकी आफ्नो जीवनको ख्याल गर्न सुझाव दिन्छन्। तर सुगाले आफूलाई कसैको सुझाव नभएर सहयोगको आवश्यकता भएको भनी भन्छन्। त्यस्तो काममा त्याग र मानवीयतापन देखेर ईश्वर आफैमा लज्जित हुँदै सुगाको प्रशंसा गर्छन् र उनको आँखाबाट आँसुको बाढी आउँछ र आगो तथा त्यसबाट भएका खतरनाक स्थिति समाप्त हुन्छन्। केही समयमा नै उक्त डरलाग्दो अवस्थामा रहेको जङ्गल र जनावरहरू बाँच्न सफल हुन्छन्। जङ्गल नयाँ रूपमा पुनर्निर्मित भई जङ्गली जनावरहरूले आफ्नो नयाँ जीवन, शान्ति र खुसीपूर्ण रहेको महसुस गर्दछन्। Literal comprehension. This story shows that Buddha was born in the form of little parrot. Suddenly, there is the storm and firing in the forest where the little parrot used to live. Looking at terrible situation, the parrot flies in the sky with the help of feathers in order to save his life. Meanwhile, he looks at down where hundreds of animals are trapped in danger of dying. Then, he wants to save their lives so that he goes to river again and again and he puts a small amount of water on fire. He tries a lot, but no effect happens to that dangerous fire. However, he continues his effort with bravery and service. Gods become surprised of his work, and one god in the form of golden eagle comes down to earth and being closer to the parrot advises to leave such effortless try and save his own life. But parrot replies that he does not need any advice in such situation, rather only help. Listening and looking such bravery and humanity of the parrot, the god starts weeping, appreciating the effort of the parrot. Fortunately, the storm of tears starts coming down from the eyes of the god, and within a few times the dangerousness of the forest is solved, stopping the fire. Then all the animals in the jungle feel their new life with full of peace and happiness. Interpretation. Though this story is based on Buddhist legend, it is equally moral too. It teaches us that benevolence, self-service and bravery are essential for meaningful life. We can be successful even in difficult or challenging situations if we continue our tireless, brave efforts. In addition, this story gives necessary stress on courage and confidence to have success in life. A single, poor creature, little parrot, saves all other creatures and struggle for a noble cause has been supported even by God. So, nobility and kindness are always admired. We should also not think about the result of our work before deeds. Right decision with right effort can lead to a successful achievement and happy life. Critical thinking. This story says that courage is the secret of happiness. It is the man's surest weapon against all kinds of dangers and problems. Besides, this story gives knowledge on the moral theme of love to all creatures of the world. It also teaches us the importance of bravery, selfless social service, and benevolence. These ideas are admirable as well as moral in the society where we live in. However, some of the ideas in the story are less confusing. Was Buddha really born in the little parrot? How can tears stop the fire? Is it true that God appears in the form of golden eagle in earth? Assimilation. After reading this story, I believe that God loves him or her who loves all the living creature. It also shows the significance of humanity. Last year, I had gone to my house. I found a woman in the village very sick. Since her family was too poor, she used to suffer a lot. Looking at pitiable condition, I collected the donor from all families in the society and she was recently sent to hospital. Within 2 hours of treating her health, she became normal and started her usual work. All people praised me. Then I have been giving continued help as well as keep on such social service.
Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, goodbye. Keep learning. Judge and Surya.